Where's your hair? Good job. What? Yeah. Telephone. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, telephone. Yeah. Yay. Can you check your temperature? Check your temperature. Yes? Yay. Check your temperature, Gregory. Good job. Yes. You want to check my temperature? Mm-hmm. Check Ada's temperature. Come on. Mm-hmm. Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye.